Sir, excuse me. Where's the parliament here?
Parliament
Yeah.
is very far from here. Very far.
How
You have
far?
to take it to the station. I don't know. 35, 40 minutes?
Where's
Okay.
the train station to get the parliament?
One in the corner. This subway station.
Subway? Okay.
Yeah.
Then, what the station?
The name of the station?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Blaha.
This is the station.
Again.
This one.
Yeah.
You have to stop here.
Kosut. How many? 1, 2, 3?
Yep.
3 station?
Mhm.
Kosunong. Thank you, sir. So, balik tayo doon. Ganun lang, yung magtatanong lang tayo. Idol, meron tayong content at ang content natin ay yun. Papracticein natin yung ating English dito kasi yung English ko not good. So ngayon, kakausap tayo ng mga, syempre marurunong din sa English para ma-practice tayo, di ba? Kasi pag di natin pinanactice yan, boy, walang mangyayari sa atin. So ngayon, kuha tayo ng sample. Ito. Tumawid. So ito, tingnan natin kung makakausap natin sila. Kahit sino dyan. Ito, Pilipino. Hello. Madam, where's the parliament here? Tulad nun, tinedma ako. So, hanap tayo ng iba. Rejection is the best. Kasi doon tayo matututo. So, lakad-lakad lang tayo dito. Balik tayo doon sa train station. Tulad ng mga yan, hindi natin alam. Pero pababa tayo doon. Hindi tayo pababa. Sir, excuse me, sir. Where's that going to parliament?
Parliament?
What are you looking for? Sorry.
Parliament. Parliament.
Parliament. Okay. You have to take the metro number 2.
This one?
Yes, and you have to leave like you just stop. I will tell you. Okay, you have to leave on the Koshul Dayos.
Number 3?
Number 3. Yeah, on the stop number 3, and this is Parliament. You just end up there.
Thank you. Sir, excuse me. Where's going to parliament? How to go to parliament? Not here? Okay, go. Daily Parliament.
Yes, the direction daily
Okay.
and push daily.
Thank you, sir. So, ganun yung magiging setup natin mga idol. Magtatanong tayo ng mga random people para ma-practice yung English natin. Tingnan mo, di ako nakasagot ng maigi, di ba? Ang sinabi niyang way dito, babalik ako doon. Pero dito talaga ako mga idol. Alam natin kung saan papunta yung parliament. Pero gawa nga na kailangan ma-practice yung English natin, magtatanong-tanong lang tayo. At ang unang tanong natin, kung paano, kung saan, yung lugar. Hoy, yun lang yun. Train station to. Kunwari naliligaw tayo. Mindset lang. Kasama na rin dito yung paano natin intindihin. Kasi meron din dito, hindi naman fluent mag-English. Yan. Okay, sino kaya ang taong makakatanungan natin dito? Huwag naman yung masyadong hindi marunong. Basta ito. Sino kaya? Eto, subukan natin. Tanong lang tayo. Excuse me, sir. Good morning. Can I ask something? This is the parliament.
No, this is a railway station.
Where's the parliament?
Parliament, you should take the metro line M2 here and go to Kossuth Lajos
Kossuth.
Square
Okay.
and
How many stations?
Blaha, Astoria, Deac, Kossuth. Maybe 4.
Or station before the
Yes.
train stop? Okay. Thank you. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
The metro underground. Yeah. Line 2, the red one. The red one.
Keleti?
Keleti.
Not parliament.
Not Parliament.
Okay, thank you po. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Diba? Ganun lang yun. Tama naman yung English ko, diba? Tama naman yung paano ako mag-tanong, diba? Mukhang kota na tayo, boy. So, dito pa rin tayo. Balik tayo sa station. Pag yan ang tinanong natin, napapangamak tayo. Papatingin na sila sa hawak ko. Si vlogger sa seryoso. Seryoso sila. Diba? Nabubuhay tayo sa ating mas nakita naman ko, no? Nakakakot yan. Ganyan. Ayan, iwasan natin yan. Ano, mukha yung ano dito, marunong mag-English. Meron din magandaan dun sa kabila. So yun, tingin ko kota na tayo kasi nakatatlong tao na tayo. Basta ganun lang yung magiging setup natin. Magtatanong tayo. Siyempre, kada araw yun, may improvement.